Right, hello everyone. Sunday. What are we on? What time is it? Did I reset the clock on this? No, I didn't. It's 20 to 12. Right, I think I've just about got everything sorted. I did have a little slight leak on the radiator where I moved one of the pipes. So I've done that. Distributor's not fixed down. So put some fuel in it and we're ready to kick it, see if it goes. So Hazel, hold the camera. Oh, let me shut the gate on there. Right then. See what she does. No exhaust on it, by the way. I did plug the ignition thing on, didn't I? What's the betting I got the timing 188. Let's put the choke on. It's a bit difficult when you've got a cable on it. No, they can't bring. Oh, okay. Now it must have timing going the wrong way. I'll check that and be back in a minute. Right, okay everybody. That wasn't the timing out. The coil that I had on there was shorting out all over the place, so wasn't giving us a spark. So right, let's try this again. Get some fuel in. I've still got to put a spring on that. Go on then, H. Turn it over. Whoa, ah. Go on then. Okay, that'll do. She works. Right, better make some exhaust for it. Oh dear. There's life in the old girl. Obviously I have to do all the timing and everything, but anyway, at least she's going. Right, cheers everyone. See you later.